Texas is one of the biggest states in the U.S., and it's known for its rolling hills, gorgeous landscapes, and big skies. When it comes to vacations, the Texas Hill Country is where you need to go. The area has some of the most beautiful scenery you'll find in the state, and the resorts are just as beautiful, with plenty of activities for everyone in the family. The southern hospitality of these upcoming resorts will be worth checking out, so stay with us as we show you 5 amazing Texas Hill Country resorts. Number 5. MEDINA HIGHPOINT Resort. If you want to experience an outdoor adventure in a completely different way, I'm sure this is a great option for you. Nestled deep in the romantic Texas Hill Country, the MEDINA HIGHPOINT Resort combines natural wonders with modern luxury for a magical outdoor getaway. At this resort, you can recharge by the glow of the campfire, enjoy dinner under the big sky, find adventure around every corner, and soak in the breathtaking views amidst the wonders of nature. This wonderful resort has 4 different types of accommodations, each with its own charms and uniqueness. Here you can find cabins with a spectacular view, an open field where you can set up camp under the stars, spectacular ranch-style houses for those large family reunions, and if that weren't enough, a mobile home area where you can stay and live the experience of a true traveler. This resort offers dozens of activities that you can do both inside and outside the resort, from swimming in the incredible pool to visiting local museums or visiting vineyards that make the best wine in Texas. Worried about the price? That's the best part. The hotel's prices are super affordable. Rooms range from $171 per night, a comfortable price when compared to all the amenities it has. Number 4. Flying L Ranch Resort. I'm sure you'll want to fly to this destination, as the name says. This amazing resort has an exceptional history that makes it a staple of modern history. The resort operates as a family business, but offers all the amenities of a luxury hotel. As you can probably already imagine from its name, this resort has an aviation theme, and that is because its founder, Colonel John H. Lapham, founded this resort after retiring from the Air Force. Amenities at the resort include Western musical entertainment, campfires, s'mores on Tuesdays to Saturdays, fun-filled pools, wagon rides to feed deer and fish, and so much more. You can also enjoy catch and release fishing along the San Julian Creek at their Creekside location. Another great thing about this resort is that they have an 18-hole miniature golf course that people can enjoy. You can even go horseback riding, where you can spot wildlife like axis deer, roadrunners, wild turkeys, owls, armadillos, hawks, and other animals native to the area. The restaurants at Flying L Resort serve delicious lunch and dinner meals for both kids and adults. Since it's Texas, you can expect some amazing steaks and plenty of other options for anyone to enjoy. As for accommodation, you can find from small getaway suites to grandiose 10-room houses for you to go with your whole family. All rooms are equipped with king and queen beds, sofas, TV and Wi-Fi, and the larger houses also have kitchens and refrigerators. As for prices, you can find the suites from $119 per night and the larger cabins up to $2,200 per night. But don't worry, the larger cabins can accommodate up to 22 guests, so invite friends and family to help with the cost and make it a vacation to remember. Number 3. MAYAN Dude Ranch. Located 47 miles northwest of San Antonio, MAYAN Dude Ranch is a place where you can enjoy your vacation to the fullest. The resort is an oasis of relaxation and comfort that's surrounded by nature and wildlife. There are plenty of activities at the resort, including hiking, swimming, fishing, horseback riding, golfing, and more. When you stay here, you're just a short drive from the city and its famous music scene. But it's also far enough away that you can feel like you're getting away from it all. The ranch spans across 348 acres along the Medina River's lowlands that serve beautiful views for its guests. Guests can also enjoy a one-of-a-kind outdoor breakfast cookout that serves an unforgettable feast. This amazing breakfast is conducted daily, and those who want to enjoy breakfast indoors can surely do so. The guests get 2 daily trail rides accompanied by guides, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. At night, they have barbecue at the Riverside Gazebo with lots of meat options. After a world-class dinner, there will be entertainment. One night it might be a country dance, another night a play or musical in the dining room. Room rates are per person and cost around $185 per adult and as little as $80 per child. The prices are reasonable considering they include 3 daily meals and your choice of drinks. Spending a few days here will definitely be memorable. Before moving on to our last 2 picks, could we encourage you to hit the like button? Now let's get on with number 2, Lighthouse Hill Ranch. If what you want is privacy or few people around you, I'm sure this is your best option. Located on the top of a hill, Lighthouse Hill Ranch is a resort located in the heart of the Texas Hill Country. It has all the amenities you'd expect from a resort: good food, comfortable beds, and cabins, but plenty of activities you won't find anywhere else. Guests can go fishing in the 8 ponds that they have on the premises. From here, you'll feel like you've escaped into another world entirely, and that's exactly what makes this place so special. You can enjoy plenty of outdoor activities like mountain ATV tours on the hills, hiking on the over 50 miles of trails, natural waterfalls, numerous springs, creekside hot tub, and ponds with spectacular views. What makes Lighthouse Hill Ranch special isn't just its activities. It's also its location. From atop Lighthouse Hill, which houses most of the resort buildings, you can see for miles across rolling hills covered with live oak trees and brushland. This is perfect for spotting the local wildlife. The resort only offers 10 cabins for rent, so crowds at this resort are impossible. Guests can choose from 5 ranch homes, 4 private suites, and their one-of-a-kind lighthouse that can give the sense you're sleeping in a castle. Room rates range from $230 to $790 per night, but believe me, it will be totally worth every penny. Number 1. The JL Bar Ranch and Resort and Spa. Here we come to the crown jewel. A ranch-style resort that extends over 13,000 acres and has everything a 5-star hotel has to offer. One main difference: it has its own airport. The resort's airstrip is large enough to accommodate everything from single-engine Cessnas to a Gulfstream G550. This resort is definitely a dream for those who visit, and in addition to the traditional activities such as horseback riding, hiking, or highly relaxing spas, they offer additional activities such as shooting lessons, hunting options, wine tours through large vineyards, and wine and whiskey tasting. This very well might be one of the most luxurious spots in the Texas Hill Country. The JL Bar Ranch restaurant is a true experience. The JL Bar's cuisine reflects the seasons, and they place special emphasis on the use of locally sourced ingredients that their culinary staff selects with great care. To complement the dining experience, they have a wide selection of wines to pair with the delicate and flavorful entrees. Open to the public, the restaurant features a full breakfast and lunch menu every day of the week. But be warned, being a guest at the JL does not guarantee you a seat at their restaurant, so you'll need to reserve a table in advance. The JL Bar Ranch Resort and Spa has 16 deluxe cabanas and 16 spacious rooms, offering private elegance in a serene setting. Each is decorated with custom furnishings, woven textiles, and luxurious linens that combine rustic elegance with modern luxury. At this gem, you can find rooms from $450 per night and up, but I'm sure it will be money well spent. Hopefully you no longer have an excuse to plan that vacation you've been longing for. Our goal was to save you time looking for the best options. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about these 5 resorts? Have you visited them before? How was your experience? If you'd like to see our picks for 5 romantic Texas resorts that's sure to kindle the passion between you and your loved one, click on the video on the screen and we will see you there.